I hear the crows hawking, so I look up and come to find out there's a fucking hawk in the tree. And them niggas is beefing with the hawk. Big ass hawk. You know the crows is bigger than the motherfucking pigeons. But look how big the hawk is to the crow. That nigga scheming on them niggas. I don't even want to walk past them niggas. I don't trust neither one of them niggas. People probably think I'm bugging out and shit. Like, the fuck is he looking at, B? Big ass hawk up in the tree. Scheming on them niggas. That's the hawk right there. And that's the motherfucking raven or the crow or whatever. That's crazy. That's crazy. Alright. Alright, they flew away. Let's see how big this motherfucker is when he fly away. Hope that nigga don't swoop down on me. Big motherfucker, B. Oh, that nigga eating one of them niggas. You see the feathers coming out? Oh, shit. That's why they was going crazy. He done caught one of they little homies. That's crazy. I ain't never saw one of them niggas eating in real life. See the feathers coming out that motherfucker, B. That's why they was going crazy. He done caught they homie. He eating they ass up, B. That's crazy. I gotta get that from another angle. Paul. The feathers coming down and shit, B. That nigga up there tearing that shit up, B. That's crazy. Niggas probably think I'm bugging, B. He dead ass eating that shit. I gotta pause this shit. That's crazy. Look at the head, yo. He tearing that shit up, yo. That's crazy. That's crazy. I ain't no motherfucking camper, man. That's crazy, yo. I ain't never saw that in real life. I've been filming this nigga for months, seeing him chasing birds around. That nigga caught the raven. That's crazy. See that nigga just dropping. Oh, he ripping that shit up, yo. My motherfucking arm hurt. That's crazy, yo. I wish I had enough film.